Hey, what's going on? I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W. LLC, and today I wanted to talk to you about our teenagers and our young adults. You see, our 18-year-old came storming in the house and said, guess what? Now, we spend a lot of time and years protecting our children from all sorts of dangers on the road and off. Now it's time to face the prospect of handing them over the keys to the family car, or maybe one of their own they received for graduation. It's now time for them to learn how to drive. Have you spoken with your children about the proper way to handle a traffic stop? I know, they speed, they make mistakes, they get distracted easily, especially if the friends are in the car. Now, this is our young adult speaking, okay? So our 18-year-old came storming in the house the other day and said, guess what? I was pulled over today. I've never been so nervous in my life. I don't know why, but I just froze like a deer in the headlights. It was my first traffic stop. I was barely even speeding. But the moment that patrol officer stepped out the car, I panicked. My brain, it just shut down. The officer was asking me questions, but all I heard was my heart beating out of my chest. And then I realized everything he was asking me for, I already had it. Conveniently located on my driver's side windshield side post. The V.A.W. The vehicle attached wallet. So I just reached to the left in plain view and pulled everything out of the vehicle attached wallet he was asking for. And he said, wow, where'd you get that from? I've never seen one of those before. I said, my mom ordered it for me online at vehicleattachedwallet.com. Then he replied, pretty cool. I like it. So I was so thankful that my mom and my dad got me this amazing product. Because every driver needs to have their information handy. Don't rely solely on driver's education classes to teach your teenagers or young adults how to show their ID, driver's license, insurance card during a traffic stop. That's still up to us as parents. Now, here's what you should do as a teenager or a young adult during a traffic stop. Go to vehicleattachedwallet.com for more details. I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W. LLC. I'll see you soon. vehicleattachedwallet.com.